Hello, YouTube. Bearded guy Jeff Lawless. Got an update on the Kenworth K-123. We got mail call. We got a stash. We got a model kit we picked up at a yard sale over the weekend. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell over there. Leave us a comment. We love reading your comments. And be looking out for Thursday. We hit 300 subs, so we're doing a giveaway. There will be a video titled 300 sub giveaway this Thursday. And it will have what you need to do. Of course, you need to be subbed to the channel, live in the United States, lower 48 or Hawaii. I'm not sure what else. It'll just be a comment or something like that. It'll be in that video. We'll run it from Thursday until Saturday. Then the comments will be turned off, and we will use a random number generator to pick on Sunday. So, like I said, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell. I'm going to turn you around here and show you what we got going on. All right. First off, we got Captain Nemo Model Zone. Neiman Chambers. Cool dude. Got some really nice builds. Great videos. If you're not subscribed to him, go ahead and check him out. He may have something you like. Subscribe to him, like, comment on his stuff. Thank you, Nemo. Beautiful card. Appreciate you, buddy. Then we was at a yard sale Saturday. Bought some Hot Wheels. We picked this model kit here up for $5. Complete kit. The body was painted, really rough paint. So stripped it all down, got it ready to prime and paint. Pretty neat little kit. Like I said, everything's in it. Got 2 sets of tires and wheels. So it'll be on the channel later for a build series. So be right back. And here we are on the Kenworth. So the cab is mounted. I'm going to put some kind of limit strap or something on how far the cab will tilt forward. But we've got our 5th wheel on, and it will move back and forth, rocks back and forth like it's supposed to. All the tires and wheels turn. Like it's supposed to. See if we can tilt the cab forward there a little bit. Like so, I'm gonna put some kind of limit strap or something on it to keep it about right there, where it doesn't break the hinges. But we're getting close to it, y'all. We just gotta put some lights on it. Put the lights on the roof and turn signals, marker lights. Grab handles. Then I'm not real sure if I want to use the cab visor or not. I kind of like it without it, but I don't care for the cab visor on this one, so I'm not real sure on it yet. But let me know what y'all think. Like I said, it'll be done for too long. Like I said, just little stuff goes on it now. But like I said, that's it for today. Like I said, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the notification bell, and be watching for Thursday's video titled 300 sub giveaway. Peace out, y'all. Laters.